Let's look into how to use head-controlled mouse EA-1. The EA-1 consists of a wind sensor, a power mode button, and a charging port. To use the EA-1, press the power mode button for 3 seconds to turn on the mouse. The blue LED blinks while the EA-1 searches for devices to connect. Connect EA-1 with a device that you want to use. Connecting to PC, connecting to Android, connecting to iOS. LED light stays on when the EA-1 has connected successfully. Users can choose one of these 4 modes: Android, Game, iOS, and Windows. Press the power mode button shortly to change the mode to match the device that you have connected. Before using the EA-1, users must set up the connected device for the mouse to be used correctly with iOS and Android devices. Assistive Touch must be enabled to use the EA-1 on an iOS device. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Assistive Touch to enable it. Devices with Android 11 or higher, users can set a preferred function to 4 times blow-by secondary button. Go to Settings, General Management, Mouse and Trackpad, Secondary button, and set the desired function among the various options. To activate the cursor, place the EA-1 in front of the device and blow the wind sensor once to activate the cursor. When setup is finished, put the EA-1 on your head. Set the position of the wind sensor 2 centimeters away from your mouth. When the cursor appears on the screen, move your head to control the cursor. Now let's try out the functions of the mouse by each mode. PC mode supports click, double-click, right-click, and scroll. Android mode supports click, scroll, home button, and back or customized function. iOS mode supports click, scroll, home button, and quick action. Game mode provides only a click function, so you can play the game with multiple quick clicks. When the center point is misaligned and the cursor is not in the center, even if the head facing the front, or the top and bottom heights do not match, you can adjust the center point of the cursor by turning your head to the edge of the screen and turning back. If you want to connect to another device, press the Power Mode button 5 times to disconnect the Bluetooth from the previously paired device. Press and hold the Power Mode button for 5 seconds. The red LED blinks and the power turns off once you release the button. Now you can use your smart device easily with the AiCONMOUSE EA-1.